Hello, good morning. Uh, I'm Rodney Oyares from Butuan City, Philippines, 12 batch manager of MMM. Today, this is my another video of happiness because yesterday, July 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 16, 17, sorry, July 17, I request the amount of 1,000 pesos of the community, and today Naidara, one of the participants of MMM, provided me assistance the amount of 1,000. So thank you guys, thank you MMM, and thank you to Sir Jim Abrudi for this wonderful system of MMM. So God bless and thank you.